Hello guys, welcome to the new episode, and today we're going with you to Laqlouq, and I'm not going alone this time. I have a guest with me on this episode. Her name is Joa Matar. She's a fashion blogger in Lebanon, and I'm meeting her already in Laqlouq. We are arriving to Laqlouq. The views here are already beautiful. Also, it's already like really cold in Lebanon, especially up in the mountains. But I want snow. So we arrived to Laqlouq and it's freezing here. We are meeting with Joe at Los Reyes. It's a auberge, like a mini hotel with chalets, and there is also a restaurant. And from here we're gonna start our buggy adventures of Laqlouq. Let's go meet Joe. It's a cute place here. Hi! Long time! Finally. How are you? This is Joa. Hi guys. I mentioned that you are a fashion influencer in Lebanon, so today we're gonna be exploring Laqlouq together.
I'm so excited. I haven't been since like 7 years maybe.
7 years? Me, I was like 2 years ago. But I'm excited.
Me too. First stop, we're gonna take a buggy ride to the mountain, to the top of the mountain. So you're coming with us.
I think we have to also mention that it's not just me and Joa exploring Laqlouq, but also our husbands.
Our partner. Bassem, if you don't know him.
And the Majid.
Obviously, you should know him by now.
I hope so.
Are you guys ready?
Yalla, let's go!
I'm so ready! Buggy, we're coming!
It's done. It's going to the garbage. Look at the cam. The cam has dirt on it.
This is the true taste of real adventures. You have to get dirty to have fun sometimes. So we reached now. What's the name of the church?
كنيسة عين الذهب.
Yes, it's in Tanurin. So from Laqlouq we came to Tanurin in a buggy.
And it's so pretty. You can show them the
Yeah, let's go. Wow. It's like so magical with the clouds, and there is grass, and there is snow. Kelshi.
Good job.
The view is insane. I want to ask what's the name of this view?
Anastasia Terrain.
I'm saying it's a Majid's hoodie, so it's okay, it got dirty. Okay, I want to like sit on the grass and like roll myself on the grass. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's so nice that the sun came, it got a bit warmer.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go all the way to that mountain in front of us. We're gonna go all the way onto the top. Yeah, if it's cold here, it's gonna get even more cold there.
There's no sun there.
I don't know how we're gonna survive. See you! Let's go! It's an adventure!
Where are we?
وين هون؟
Okay, نحن وين؟ ايه وين هون؟ نحن ببرك العقورة. It's at the top of the mountains. Look at the view. It's gorgeous.
It's famous Aura Lake.
Aura, yeah.
Yeah, but in summer it's more like blue water,
Yeah,
and in winter it becomes very muddy, I guess.
But it's still pretty. I think.
Hey.
It's gorgeous.
On top of the world. So Sharbel, our guide, now is taking us even more on the top. It's
Yes.
gonna be up there. We're gonna see the panoramic 360 views
Exactly.
of Akura.
Yes. gonna make it through this.
It is.
Joa, I love your coat.
Yeah, thanks.
It looks even better from the back.
بس أكيد it's fake. No way يكون هالقد. 8 أكيد لا. قد إيه الحرارة هون؟
It's cold, but it's so beautiful. Guys, it's 1 degrees now. That's how high we got.
Winter or summer?
Summer.
Winter.
For me. Summer.
Pizza night or fondue night?
Fondue.
Same. Skiing or swimming?
Swimming.
Skiing.
Skiing.
And again, we reached another church which is on 1,900 meters above the sea level. Probably one of the highest churches in Lebanon. One of them. What's it called?
كنيسة سيدة القرن.
Guys, if you're still watching the video till here, put a snow emoji in the comment because you gotta love the snow. Did you like the buggy?
I enjoyed it a lot. It was a bit scary.
And
a
very
bit
cold. Not a bit.
Very cold. But it was very fun.
First thing after the buggy, so we want to just stay here. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. I feel like I'm like a frozen dish that was in the freezer and now I'm like slowly melting.
Defrosting.
Marathon for 2 days, okay, nice.
We wanted something else, but we got the hot chocolate, so it will do.
I actually really like this place. After the cold buggy ride, it's
very cozy. After skiing, perfect to come and drink hot chocolate.
yeah, it has like a very nice Christmassy vibes. You wanna just like chill here all day next to the fireplace.
Yes, it's so nice. And like the decoration makes it better.
And I like that it's all like wooden chalet vibes, somewhere like you are in Switzerland. This is the collection that they have for buggies and skidoos. It's a lot of them. Maybe you should come here in winter time.
Yeah, we should.
It's big. Nice place. We're going now to check out the chalets they have. Maybe one day we'll try it. Nice to stay here with the snow.
شي مع شمينيه شي مع جاكوزي بس هيدي بلا ولا شيء.
There are some with chimneys, but it's
Cold. Maybe they have it.
of course they have a heater. There's no way. Oh, it's right here.
When should it snow?
لازم شي جنة.
In a week or 2
Oh, no way. After a long adventurous ride, we also of course got hungry and we're really feeling like Lebanese food. So we came to Azabardi. They have a restaurant and it's also a guest house, but we gonna have lunch here. Jo changed her coat because the other one was very dirty, but this one is very cute.
Thank you.
Oh, I got scared. Hi.
This is Santa.
So cozy that there is a fireplace. I'm gonna sit next to fireplace so stay warm. Wow, I like the decorations. It's very cozy.
How do you pronounce it?
Looks like
Like I
British.
say it? Anastasia.
For English speakers, in Russian it's Anastasia
Anastasia. Okay.
or Nastya.
We learn something new every day. Anastasia.
Cheers!
Cheers.
We deserve it after
Yeah.
cold. It's nice presentation.
Yeah.
This is what it's like to have lunch in Lebanon. Usually it's the whole table full of plates, which is great for sharing when you go out with friends.
هيدي عندهم اياها سبيشالتي. تجي عجينة مسلوقة. عليها لبنة ونعناع يابس وثوم وقوارما. السبيشالتي هي the whole mix. So رح ندوقها اليوم for the first time ever. I haven't tried قوارما ever.
No way.
Today is the first time.
Never?
Never. We will see.
I mean, this is something you eat for breakfast with eggs also, no?
You want?
And this is the same with lebne, but bala awarma.
Oh, it's the same, by the way. until that's
It's very soft.
هلا شو بنعمل؟
بدك شاي? Please. Okay, we wanted to share with you guys how me and Joa actually know each other because it's not our first time meeting.
I think people don't know we know each other. We've known each other for like 2 years maybe.
Yeah, we met a few times. I think we basically followed each other on Instagram and I think it was you who offered to meet up.
We live close to each other and we both have dogs, so we decided to go and go on a walk with our dogs, and that's how it.
Yeah, and
That's how we bonded.
Our dogs liked each other.
Yes,
We did
thank
all.
God. Cheers.
Cheers.
Try the tea.
It was cinnamon, like very good after the heavy meal. Nice.
It's so good.
In general, the food was really good. It's a nice place to come for lunch and so cozy. Love the fireplace.
Also, they have like bungalows. You can stay the night.
Yeah, food, and you can do activities here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed our Laqlouq adventures. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. And every time in every episode I share the word of the day in my own language. And today the word of the day is mountain. In Russian it's... Wait, why did I forgot Russian? In Russian it's gora. How is it in Arabic?
In Arabic, a mountain is Jabal.
We all forgot our land. It was a very good day today.
Jabal.
See you guys.
Bye.